Neil McAvoy.
Diolch, Dirprwy Llywydd. Llywydd, fel arfer dwi'n siarad yn Saesneg, achos dwi'n mwy hyderus yn Saesneg. Achos pan o'n i'n ysgol, do'n i ddim yn gallu dysgu Cymraeg, dim gair o Cymraeg, tan gynnais i cwrs wlpan. Roedd cwrs trwy'r trochi, yr iaith. Wedyn, yr wythnos diwethaf, ro'n i'n poeni iawn pan mae Plaid Llafur yma ac y weinidog hefyd dwi'n meddwl ac y Plaid Cymru wedi pleidleisio yn erbyn cwrsiau trochi. So I'm looking for an assurance really, and it's an equality issue. And I say this as an English language first Welshman, because I didn't know a word of Welsh until I was 32. And I remember a Danish person speaking to me in Spain in Welsh, and I thought he was speaking to me in Danish. That's how embarrassing my education was. And so I believe passionately that immersion classes should be freely available for teachers and for pupils.